So here we're looking at 0.1 equals 0.5 to the n, as we did in the previous example. One way of getting a more accurate value of n is to go into graph and table. Let y1 be 0.5 to the power x. Select this and then click here, and we get a table of values like we had in the previous example. So at the very least, this is a quicker way of producing that table. However, if we click here, we can change the step length. So let's change that step length to 0.01. Click on OK, and then we can see that we get a lot more values in the table. What we're looking for is when the value in this column becomes 0.1. So we may have to search a fair way down, and we can use the scroll bar to do that. And here we are at 3.32, it's 0.1001. At 3.33, 0.0994. So let's suppose we choose to use this value here rather than the 4, which was much cruder, that we used in the previous example. Click on it, and then from here, using the stylus, we can select it, edit and copy, go in to the main screen, edit and paste, and then multiply by the half-life of 25 days. We can see that 83 days is a more accurate figure. Even better might be to graph. So go back to the menu, back to graph and table, and this time what we're going to do is graph this. So we're going to graph it. We want the intersection with 0.1. So what we're going to do is select here, type in 0.1, make sure we select and execute. Then if we graph, we see here the intersection between 0.5 to the x and 0.1. We can get that by going Analysis, Gsolve, and Intersect. We can use this exact x value accurately by clicking on it, using the stylus to select the number, edit and copy, go to main, edit and paste, and then multiply by the half-life of 25 days, giving us once again around 83 days. Yet another way of doing exactly the same thing is to solve this equation directly on the calculator. I like to do this via interactive. So we're in the main screen, interactive, advanced, solve. Type in here 0.1 equals 0.5 to the power x. The solution variable is x. Click OK, and once again we get the 3.32 and so on. Using the stylus, you can select the number, just drag it to there, and then multiply by 25, once again giving us around 83. The ClassPad is such a powerful tool that there are other ways as well of investigating this type of equation, and we'll look at some of those in a couple of examples' time.